Hi guys, I'm going to do a quick video on the new Body Solid Fat Curl Bar that I just got in. And I bought this off of eBay for $99. And it's from Fitness Factory Outlet. And I'm telling you, this is a dynamite bar. It's something that you definitely want to buy. It's 48 inches long, weighs 11.5 pounds. The sleeve length is 8.25 inch, and it can hold the carrying capacity is 400 pounds. And when you do your curls on this bar, it just feels good. I don't know if it's because of the 2-inch diameter of the bar, but whatever it is, it just feels good to do curls on this bar. I mean, I like this bar immensely. Of course, you can do more than just curls on it. Even doing your shrugs, because of the angle of the bar, it just feels good. It's just a different angle. So I like doing shoulder shrugs in this too. It's not just those exercises. The cut of the bar, these angles, I mean, it feels good doing skull crushers on this as well. And I'll demonstrate. That deep cut that you get down lower. I like this bar immensely, so I thought I'd do a quick video on it to get the word out. You definitely want to buy this bar. I have other curl bars, but I like this one the best. Even when you do your bench presses or close grips, that cut makes all the difference in the world. So there you go, guys. I highly recommend buy this bar, the Body Solid Fat Curl Bar. Thanks for watching.